Hold on, I gotta take the zoom off.
No.
I'm punching the face. There you go. That's cool, huh?
That's a cool. That's scary.
That's scary? It's very scary. Ah! I scare you?
Yes.
Let's watch some ants. Hold on, where'd it go? Hold on, let me find it. Where'd it go? Nope.
And right there.
Hold on, okay, I see it. Wait, where'd it go?
And right there. And
I'm trying. It keeps running away. Here's one. Where'd it go? You see it? Where'd it go?
Oh, this and
There we go, look. Look at the ant. You see it?
see and
Look, right there.
wait, get back here. Get back here.
You see it? Isn't that cool?
Hey, get back here and get back here. What is
Where'd it go?
that?
Look, I found another one. Hang on, Bug, look. Where'd it go? Oh, wait. I don't know what that is, but don't let it touch you.
No bird.
Ew, that's a nasty bug. Hold on.
Wait, it's nothing.
Yeah, it's nasty. I flicked it away. Look. You see the ant? Watch. Let me follow it. Follow it. Look. Look. Run, Mr. Ant. Run. Look at the Callie.
Mama, you will wear this, huh? But not the shoes, but I know the shirt you wore.
We're looking at ants.
We're looking at it.
Yeah, hold on. Wait. Hold on. The moment get it in the...
You say yeah for the shirt, but not
Look. There it is. Run, Mr. Ant. Don't kill it with the sword. Wait, I've lost it. Hold on. Why you want to kill it? Look, you done knocked it all crazy. Why you want to do that? Look. Come look at this. Come look at it. Look. It's a nasty mouse. It's a Callie's mouse. Callie. Oh, you know you want it.
look at this, eh?
Did we find some more ants yet, Bug? Yeah, I know.
Who won?
Trump did.
He did. She's going to jail.
Bug, come see.
He's going to fire you, Mama.
What's it in?
I don't know. Look at this branch. You want to look at the grass? Let's look at the grass. Ooh, look. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Why is there cellophane in my grass?
What?
Cellophane? Plastic? Look, Bug. Wait, where'd it go? Look at that. Look, can you see it? It's a slug, or a snail, I mean. Look. Hold on, let's get closer. You see it?
I see it. I see it.
You see that right there?
I see
That's his
that.
body.
That's body.
Isn't that cool? What's that right there?
It's a rat. It's a rat in
Look, there's an ant. See it? I don't see it down there, but I see it on the picture. Let's look at those some more.
a yellow.
Nature's so cool, huh? Don't touch it. No, don't touch it. You don't want to kill it. Look at the ant. Look at the ant. You See it?
No ant.
There is an ant right there.
Get it
No, I don't want to kill the ant. The ant's not bothering nobody.
in.
Kill the ant, Mama. Kill the ant.
That ant ain't bothering nobody. It's just crawling in the grass.
Look, Buzz. Show Mama. It's Christmas light.
Yeah, come on, stop.
Awesome.
Look,
You sure know how to ruin a video.
look, we nerd it.
Wow. Look at that.
What's the...
Snail.
Yeah, now.
Isn't that cool?
Look,
Look at some more grass. Ooh, look at the grass. How pretty. No, don't mess with those.
I did it. No.
What's that? We broke it open.
Oh,
Look at that. What is that?
I did it.
It's a what?
I did it.
Okay.
I did mine.
Let's go get you. Ah! Ah! Let's go get you!
Thank you. Wait, no.
No, they're still there. See? Still there. Leave them alone. Nope, don't touch. No, I'm not going to kill it. You're going to leave it alone.
Kill it, right there. See?
What's that?
It's a turtle.
It's a turtle. Okay.
It's
Let's
a
see.
turtle.
That really doesn't look like a turtle to me. And I think it might be a little small. Look. You see, compared to my finger, it's a little small to be a turtle. I think it's just a rock.
Little wing.
Look, an ant. Look, it's not going to hurt you. It's sugar ants. See? Not hurt you.
Wait, it's wicked.
What?
What down here?
Let's look at some toes.
What down here?
Look at that ant. It's so close to your feet. Look, it's so close to your feet. You better chill your crazy ass out.
Yeah.
Look, come look over here at the rocks. The Rockies? Where? A rocket? I'm pretty sure we don't have rockets in our grass. It's the rocks. And whatever that is. See rocks? Hold on, let me move this paper out of the way so we can see the rest of the rocks. Little rocks. There's an ant! See it? Oh no, it's an ant! Let's just follow it.
Yeah.
Hey, don't kill the ant! Why you trying to kill it with the sword?
Touch it and
Really? That's mean.
what's it?
Grass?
Wait.
You see something?
No. Honestly.
You want to see? What you want to see?
No.
Oh, look at that.
What this thing?
I don't know. Like the rocks?
Where's so nasty?
The what?
Nasty.
Oh, yeah?
Nasty?
The nasty?
Yeah, nasty.
Where do you see nasty at?
Okay, nasty.
Over there, nasty? Okay. What about over here? Is it nasty over here? What about football? Football. Let's see what else we can find. Basketball. And Jamu's cigarette butts, because I'm going to have to kill her. She keeps putting them out here. Yeah?
We get cow. Cow.
Oh yeah? Look, Bug. Isn't that pretty?
Nothing.
Pretty grass. Move the mommy up.
Hey. No.
Look what I found. It's a Callie. Ow. Stop hitting me with that thing. Look, there's all kinds of ants over here. Look. Look, Bug. Bug, look at the ant. Bug, look at the ant. Bug.
Yes.
Look at the ant.
That's it.
Yeah, look at those.
No.
See it?
Where's
Ants?
that ant? Yeah.
Why you gotta be so mean to the ants? Stop, you're gonna bend your sword and I ain't gonna be able to fix it. Look, they're all right here. See them?
Oh, that's the end.
There's an ant. Look, there's two of them. Hey, look at me.
No.
Look at me. So we saw nature.
No.
You don't like nature? Why?